Assalamu alaikum, dear brother. Your name is Anthony? Oh, mashallah. So you are taking this shahada, the declaration of faith, willingly all by yourself, correct? No one is compelling you or forcing you to do this. Mashallah, beautiful. So what we're going to do is we're going to say the Arabic testification of faith, okay, which is called the shahada, which is the first pillar of Islam. And then I'll say it in English so you know and understand what it is that you have said, okay? Alhamdulillah. Say ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Bring it out.
Ashhadu.
Ashhadu Allah
Allah.
ilaha
Ilaha.
illa
Illa.
Allah. Wa ashhadu
Wa ashhadu.
anna
Anna.
Muhammadan
Muhammadan.
abduhu
Abduhu.
wa
Wa
rasuluhu.
Rasul.
Allahu Akbar. So what you have just said now is, and repeat after me, I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is no God
that there is no God
worthy of worship
worthy of worship
except the one God,
except the one God,
Allah.
Allah.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that the Prophet Muhammad,
that the Prophet Muhammad,
peace and blessings be upon him,
peace and blessings be upon him,
is God's
is God's
last
last
and final messenger.
final message.
Takbir! 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 Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Welcome to the fold. You are in an enormous brotherhood right now, and a brotherhood and sisterhood that lasts not only inside of this world but eternally. Okay, so we welcome you with open arms, brother. Brothers, make sure that we give our brother Anthony a warm welcome, and make sure that we show him our support. Get his number so that we can make sure we take care of him, inshallah. Is there anything you wanted to say?
I just want to say thank you, and I'm excited to start my journey.
MashaAllah. May Allah bless and increase you and make you amongst His most righteous. And the same for all of us in our entire community. Say Ameen. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.